Hey everyone, welcome to Bitcoin and Cryptocurrency Academy. This is Charlene Savage, and today I'm actually going to teach you about what is the Coinbase transaction. So what you see on my screen here, this is the live Bitcoin blockchain ledger. You can find it at blockchain.com/pools. And what you see before you here is a wheel of miners. And what we're going to do is we're going to go in and have a look at what the actual Coinbase transaction is. So let's just click onto one of these pools here, and we're going to scroll down just a little bit further. Let's just open up this one here. You'll be able to see the recent blocks found by BitClub Network for this particular demonstration. So I'm going to click on this hash, which is also the mining difficulty. So if I click on that, you'll see there's a whole lot of information here, but for the purposes of this video, I'm actually going to show you what is the Coinbase transaction and where did it get its name from. Well, this is it. The very top transaction that you see that has no inputs says newly generated coins, and you'll see that it says in red, unable to decode output address. And this, my friends, is called the Coinbase transaction. And if you didn't already know, the reward for miners on the Bitcoin blockchain for solving the cryptography challenge of the Bitcoin is 12.5 Bitcoin. So if I click on this button here, it'll be able to convert from Bitcoin quantity to the value of Bitcoin. And so there you have it. And that is what we call the Coinbase transaction. Now, if you want to know more about mining on the Bitcoin blockchain, you can subscribe here below, but please go to btcsavage.com and we'll be able to share some information, and we'll see you on the inside. Thanks. Bye-bye.